A very good day. I'm going to give a demo on R2R ladder network using Op-Amp 741. This is experiment number 7 in your list of experiments. Okay. So this is the circuit diagram shown here. You can see the ladder is connected using resistance of value R and the other one is value 2R. So we have such 4 ladder outputs and each one is connected to a different output. So we start from LSB to MSB and the output is taken, actual output is taken across the Op-Amp 741. Okay, so this is connected on the spring board over here. You can see this is your R and then 2R ladder, and the output of each we are giving to a trainer kit so that it becomes easier to toggle between the 4 inputs. So we have here LSB to MSB. So you can see this is the LSB and it goes up to MSB. The output is pin number 6 of the Op-Amp, which is connected to the multimeter. We are going to make a note of the values of the voltage in DC mode. Okay, so this is the table. According to this table, you are going to switch the various inputs on the trainer kits and make a note of the output as you can see it on the digital multimeter. Okay, the theoretical values are given here, practical values you are going to make note and write it over here. So let us see. Initially all the 4 inputs are 0, so the output is also 0. When I make the LSB 1, the output becomes 0.224. You can see over here the output is 0.208. Okay, next I am going to change to the next level. Okay, when I change to the next level, it is 0.444. Here you can see it is 0.416. That means the output increases in steps of 0.2. You can see everywhere output increases in steps of 0.2. Let me take a combination 1100. So I will take a combination here 1100. The output is 2.42. Output is 2.42. So here you can see 110, it is 2.5. Okay. Similarly, when I make this all high, output here comes to 3.14. We should get 3.12. So please make a note of all the practical values. This will be the output of the first part. Second part is to observe the step wave. Okay. So that we are going to do. You will get a step wave of this type. So we are going to connect the output to 7493 IC. So you can see over here the 7493 IC is already connected on the board over here. Okay. Only thing now we have to connect all the inputs of the from the trainer to the 7493 IC. So I will just do the connection and then it will be, the demo will be done in part 2 of the same.